जय श्री गुरुदेव। संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवो मनांसि जानतां देवाभागं यथा पूर्वे समजानाना upasate. This verse in the Rig Veda says, may we march forward with a common goal. May we share our thoughts with integrated wisdom. May we follow the example of our ancestors who achieved higher goals by the virtue of being united. A very good morning to one and all present here on a day when the forecast is loads of happiness. With the divine blessings of our founder, His Holiness Jagat Guru Bhairavaikya Padma Bhushana Shri 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 Dr. Bala Gangadhar Natha Mahaswamiji, divine blessings of His Holiness Param Pujya Shri 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 Dr. Nirmalananda Natha Mahaswamiji, 72nd Chief Pontiff of Shri Adi Chunchanagiri Mahasamsthana Mutt and the President of Shri Adi Chunchanagiri Sikshana Trust, and warm blessings from our revered Shri Shri Dr. Prakash Nath Swamiji, Managing Director, BGS and the SJB Group of Institutions and Hospitals. I take immense pride and pleasure to welcome you all to the Investiture Ceremony 2024-25 of BGS International Residential School. At this juncture, I would like to share with all of you that our founder, Pujya Shri 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 Dr. Bala Gangadhar Natha Mahaswamiji's long cherished dream was to have 1,000 students in BGS IRS. Today, with the blessings of our Managing Director, we have more than 950 students under our care, and we promise that the day is not far when we make our Mahaswamiji's dream come true. We are so grateful to you, Swamiji, for your constant support in all our endeavors. I feel so humbled yet immensely proud to announce that BGS IRS has achieved 100% results in the CBSE board exams, both for class 10 and 12 for the academic session 2023-24. We have come a long way from the era when we were asked, did all your students pass? To where did your students get placed? From quantity to quality of results. This year, our students have been placed in the best colleges and universities of India and the Ivy League University of Boston and Columbia in the United States. Kudos to Team BGS IRS. We are profusely elated and blessed by the presence of His Holiness Param Pujya Jagat Guru Shri 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 Dr. Nirmalananda Natha Mahaswamiji, the Chief Pontiff and President of Shri Adi Chunchanagiri Sikshana Trust. The more we speak about you, Mahaswamiji, what remains unsaid gets multiplied. Hence, words cannot express the essence of your eminence. The radiance of your presence says it all. Thank you so much, Mahaswamiji, for your divine presence and blessings for today's occasion. I extend a warm welcome to our Managing Director, Revered Shri 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 Dr. Prakash Nath Swamiji. If there is anybody whose personality suits best to the phrase larger than life, then it is our very dear Managing Director, Shri Shri Dr. Prakash Nath Swamiji. He is a dynamic personality who is the driving force behind the monumental success of the BGS and SJB group of institutions and hospitals. His keen sense of service, combined with a relentless pursuit of perfection, keeps taking all our institutions to greater heights of excellence each year. Now, it's my absolute honor and jubilation to announce that our beloved Managing Director has been awarded the most innovative leader of the 21st century in the House of Lords, Westminster, UK on the 5th of July, 2024. Our beloved Managing Director has so humbly, so graciously, so lovingly dedicated this prestigious award to his Guruji, our founder, His Holiness Shri 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 Dr. Bala Gangadhar Natha Mahaswamiji. The award was conferred by the international organization De Facto Ed, comprising of a team of transformation experts specialized in the field of digital literacy. The team consists of Mr. David Knight, Chairman and Director Innovation, Mr. Tim Field, Director of Clients and Markets, Mr. Mark Senshal, Director Content and Curation, Ms. Lara Field, Creative Director, Mr. Alan Brown, Professor in Digital Economy, and Dr. Emmanuel Acco, Consultant Cardiologist. We are so proud of you, Swamiji. The crowning glory of this episode of the ceremony was the conferring of Lordship to our beloved Managing Director for his unwavering leadership. It serves as a beacon to inspire continued excellence and public service. This is the insignia and the citation of Swamiji's Lordship. We are profusely indebted to Dr. Malini M. Datta, Principal, BGS National Public School, who was solely instrumental in making this happen. Swamiji was also bestowed the honors of launching a book named Surviving and Thriving in the Age of Artificial Intelligence, written by Mr. Alan W. Brown, who is a visiting faculty in universities of 27 countries of the UN in the Department of AI. Shri Dr. Prakashnath Swamiji is an exemplary role model, inspiring through his profound teachings, compassionate leadership, unwavering commitment to spiritual enlightenment, societal harmony, and a strong emphasis on education. Please congratulate our Managing Director with a huge round of applause. Heartiest congratulations to Swamiji for this amazing achievement. It is the most befitting moment for all of us at BGS IRS to express our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Managing Director for the latest architectural marvel in our campus, the new dining hall, Annapurnalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please watch the happiness of the students as they relish their daily food in Annapurnalaya. Thank you once again, Swamiji, for such a generous initiative for the students of BGS IRS. We are deeply honored by your gracious presence and blessings at the Investiture Ceremony 2024-25. I take this opportunity to welcome Lieutenant Colonel Manoj Kumar Pandey, who was commissioned in the Army, the Madras Regiment 2008. Along with the Indian Army, he has served the Black Cat Commando, military observer in Sudan, Golan Heights in Israel, and at present, he is the training officer of the National Cadet Corps of Karnataka and Goa Directorate. He was part of the insurgency operations in Jammu and Kashmir and has been awarded the Gallantry Award Sena Medal for Operation Guzbal by the President of India. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the occasion. I extend a hearty welcome to Mr. Surojit Gupta, Vice President, Bennett and Coleman Company Limited, brand capital of Times of India. He is known for his strategic thinking, people management, marketing innovation, and in the organization. Thank you, sir, for taking out time from your busy schedule to grace the occasion. I'm very pleased to welcome the heads of all our sister concerned institutions. Thank you so much for your benign presence on such an important day of BGS IRS. I extend the warmest welcome to the parents of the Student Council. It is said, if you want to be in your children's lives tomorrow, you need to be in their lives today. Thank you for being a part of such a momentous day of your child's lives. Dear honorable dignitaries, staff members, beloved students, and most importantly, this year's Student Council. Today marks a significant milestone in our school's journey, the investiture ceremony, a time-honored tradition where we entrust our students with the positions of leadership and responsibility. To the newly appointed leaders, our heartfelt congratulations. Your selection for these roles through your speech competition, election campaign, student voting, and the panel interview is a testament to your strong character, dedication, and your ability to inspire. We all know that leadership is not just a title. It's about leading with example and making a positive difference in the lives around you. In this regard, I believe that the first leaders in our lives is our parents. Matru Deva Bhava, Pitru Deva Bhava. What you learn from your first set of leaders, your mother and your father, is priceless, invaluable. The straightforward path to success, my dear students, is to accumulate lots and lots of blessings of your parents, and then there will be no looking back. Our next set of leaders are our teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Always remember, once a teacher, forever a teacher, never an ex-teacher. Right from your kindergarten teacher to your professors, every teacher is a leader in your life. Respect them, regard them throughout your journey to success. Then comes the leaders of our nation, who inspire us to be responsible citizens of our motherland. Mahatma Gandhi said, "It is easy to stand in the crowd, but it takes courage to stand alone." Our greatest ability as humans is not to change the world, but to change ourselves. Our all-time favorite leader, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, said, "Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there's harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. And when there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world." The Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, is striving hard to make India the brightest shining star in the entire world. His words, "Self-confidence increases with regular practice to achieve goals." My dear students, be inspired by national leaders so that you grow up to be statesmen to take care of our country. And then come into our lives the messengers of peace, the spiritual leaders. Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasorma Jyotirgamaya, the leaders who lead us from darkness to light. Lord Gautam Buddha showed us the eightfold path: right view, right resolve, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Swami Vivekananda was a leader in the true spirit of the word. His messages were tremendously awe-inspiring and thought-provoking. Anything that makes you weak physically, intellectually, spiritually, reject it as poison. We are what our thoughts make us, so take care about what you think. Our founder, Shri Dr. Balagangadhar Natha Mahaswamiji's messages were simple and understood by the common man. By worshipping God with devotion, we develop our inner strength. It cleanses our heart, and true richness is the generosity of the heart. Cultivate it and work to help the less fortunate ones in life. His everlasting message for all of us is the motto, "Service to mankind is service to God." In closing, I would like to reiterate that our Student Council always lead with integrity, serve with humility, and maintain your dignity. Congratulations once again, and may this day mark a transformative journey filled with learning, growth, and endless possibilities. I once again heartily welcome each and everyone present here to the investiture ceremony of BGS International Residential School. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.
Atiti Devo Bhava. Thank you, respected Principal Ma'am, for welcoming the distinguished dignitaries. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana ma karma phalaheturbuhu ma te sangosva karmani.
Lord Krishna tells Arjuna not to chase the outcome, rather, enjoy the journey to reach there. The same lies true for leaders. Our students are standing here on the brink of a new chapter in their lives, as it is rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Here we have a formal investing of our students with authority, power, and dignity. I welcome all the newly elected leaders, followed by the teachers, for an electrifying march past.
I now humbly request our Pujya Mahaswamiji and our beloved Managing Director to come up on the stage for sashing and badging, followed by handing over the school flag to the newly elected school captains and sports captains. I request our respected Principal Ma'am to escort the dignitaries on the stage. The Students' Council serves as a platform for students to have a voice in decision-making process within the school. It also provides an avenue for students to develop and refine their leadership skills by allowing them to take on responsibilities. Here we have our Pujya Mahaswamiji and our beloved Managing Director to felicitate and bless our newly elected leaders. First, we have School Captain Boy, Shadnik Das of Grade 12 Commerce. He is extraordinary in representing the school at events and excellent at public speeches. He is respectful and responsible. He possesses positive attributes to pursue his goals. Here we have School Captain Girl, Rishi Lokesh of Grade 12 Science. She is well organized and good observant. She is an outstanding student who represents the best of BGS IRS in every possible way. Next, we have School Vice Captain Boy, Arnav Yes of 2nd PU Science. He is a good investor in knowledge. He is very dedicated and strives for success. He is very caring and always helps his fellow mates as best as he can. Here we have School Vice Captain Girl, Charviz Ian of 2nd PU Commerce. She truly believes that leadership is the capacity to transform vision into reality. She is very confident and respectful. Here we have Sports Captain Boy, Arjun Ralapalli of Grade 12 Science. Next, we have sports captain girl Chavi Acharya of 2nd PU Commerce. Now, I humbly request our Pujya Mahaswamiji to hand over the school flag to Shagnik Das. I request our beloved Managing Director to hand over the placard to Rishi Lokesh. I request our Pujya Mahaswamiji to hand over the sports flag to Arjun Ralapalli. A heartfelt thanks to our Pujya Mahaswamiji and the beloved Managing Director for doing the honors. I now humbly request our Pujya Mahaswamiji and our beloved Managing Director to be seated amongst the congregation. I request our Principal Ma'am to escort the dignitaries.
The schoolhouses provide positive competition and a closer rapport between students and teachers. They also create supportive environment. Now, I request a respected principal ma'am to escort Lieutenant Colonel Manoj Kumar Pandey and Mr. Surajit Gupta to the stage for badging and sashing of the house captains with the assistance of house masters. Agni House is led by Ms. Suma N.K. and Ms. Kodi Jayashri. Jal House is led by Ms. Farzia Nikit and Ms. Shweta Mahesh. Prithvi House is led by Ms. Kala and Ms. Rachna R. Vaya House is led by Ms. Tushara Rajesh and Ms. Padma P. Now, I request a chief guest to put the badge and sash to the newly elected house captains and vice captains. First, we have Agni House Captain Vedant Nair of Grade 12 Commerce and Vaya House Captain Ajay Badrinath of 12 Commerce. Vedant is a sincere and responsible boy. He is a good orator and an avid reader who loves to explore through experience. Ajay is a well-spoken and a very responsible boy, a good artist and very popular among his peers for his friendly nature. Badge and sash is being given to Agni House Vice Captain Yukta Jain of 11 Commerce. Next we have Jal House Captain Shreya V, 12 Commerce. Shreya is a responsible, well-behaved and hard-working girl. She consistently completes her task with great attention. Next we have Aryan Surya PK of Jal House. He's a captain, he's a wonder boy of the class. We have Prithvi House Vice Captain Abhiyan Garg of 11th Commerce. Abhiyan shows initiative and looks for new ways to get involved. His proactive attitude and enthusiasm makes him a valuable member of any team. House Captain Vaibhav Kumar is being given the sash and badge. Next we have Prithvi House Vice Captain Abhiyan Garg of Grade 11 Commerce. Abhiyan, He shows initiative and looks for new ways to get involved. His proactive attitude and enthusiasm makes him a valuable member of any team. Now, we have Vaya House Captain Ajay Badrinath. Ajay is a well-spoken and a very responsible boy, a very good artist and very popular among his peers for his friendly nature. Moving further, we have Vice Captain Suyog Mandalik of Grade 11 Science. Suyog has great leadership qualities with a positive approach and wishes to maintain things in unison with an aim to achieve more than planned by boosting the morale of others. Now, I request our chief guest to hand over the house flags and placards to the newly elected house captains and vice captains. Agni House. Jal House. Prithvi House. Vayu House. Thank you, all the distinguished dignitaries, for investing the authority and dignity in the newly elected leaders. I kindly request all the dignitaries to be seated in the audience.
Now, I kindly request our respected Vice Principal Sir and Vice Principal Ma'am to come upon the stage for batching and sashing of student editor and the cultural captains. Here we have student editor Vaibhav Lohia of Grade 11 Commerce. Next, we have cultural captain Anuradha Ji of 2nd PU Commerce. Here we have cultural captain Sneha Ravi of Grade 12 Science. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for the formal investiture.